Labuan Bajo is a hidden paradise in eastern Indonesia. This village is located in Komodo District, West Manggarai Regency, Eastern USA Tenggara NTT. This tourist object is directly adjacent to Western USA Tenggara NTB, and is separated by the Safe Strait. Labuan Bajo is one of the main tourist destinations being developed by the Indonesian government. Gazing at the evening sky is one way to enjoy Labuan Bajo. This place is not far from Komodo International Airport. Also, Bukit Sinta, Amelia Peak and Sylvia Peak are some of my favorite places to photograph the evening sky. There is also Langko Cave, which has a cool saltwater pool. Labuan Bajo also has an island which is famous for ancient lizards that live freely in Rome. Komodo Island has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In addition, Komodo Island has also been named as one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Ranko Labuan Bajo Cave is an exotic cave decorated with not-so-sharp rocks and stalactites. This cave is relatively safe for tourists who want to explore the cave. Ranko Cave is precisely located in Ranko Village, Bowling District, West Manggarai Regency, which is about 15 kilometers from Labuan Bajo City. It is named Ranko Cave because it is located in Ranko Village, said Rosidi, head of the Ranko Village Tourism Awareness Group, Popdawas. The distance is approx 5 minutes from Ranko Village. To reach this place, visitors must rent a fishing boat which is anchored around the Ranko Village pier. It takes 20 minutes to walk along a sandy path to reach Ranko Cave through the shady trees that grow on its sides. Visitors are then greeted with the mouth of the cave, which is full of limestone deposits that look beautiful in the form of stalagmites and stalactites. The most unique cave in Ranko has a 7-meter deep saltwater pool with clear and fresh water. Visitors can swim in the pool or enjoy the fresh and cool air in the cave.